Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. So in today's video, we're going to show you how to fix a slow Mac, and we're not going to be using any third-party applications. So without further ado, let's begin. So the very first thing that could be impacting your computer performance is running a lot of apps simultaneously, especially CPU hogs. So my general rule of thumb for myself is 1 to 2 applications at most running simultaneously. So usually that's Chrome and my editor, Final Cut Pro, for example. And maybe I also have Photoshop open. If you press Command Tab, this is your application switcher. So it's going to show you all the applications you have open at once. Now, if you limit this to 2 to 3, that's really going to help, but just less than what you currently have if that's a bad habit for you. And while we're talking about applications, we're going to go into our Finder and look through applications and just go through here and search for old apps and uninstall them if you're never using it. Now, another thing that could be causing your Mac to be slow is login items. So if we go down to System Preferences and Users and Groups, and then Login Items. So me, I have absolutely nothing here, but a lot of times there'll be several different things here, and anything that you don't need to run when your computer opens, I would just remove that, and you simply just click the line and press this little minus button right here to remove it from the login items. Now, separately from your dock and your application switcher, you'll also have little applications up here that may be kind of silently running in the background. So if you look through here and you see any apps that you don't need to be running, just go ahead and quit out of those and your Mac will run a little bit better. Now, the next tip for you guys is we're going to search in the spotlight up here, Activity Monitor. And this is going to show us which applications are using our CPU. So if you get in the habit of kind of looking through this as you notice your Mac being slow, just pay attention to what is towards the top and staying towards the top, as those are going to be hogging a lot of your CPU and slowing down your computer. Now, the next thing you may want to pay attention to is your web browser. So Google Chrome is a lot heavier on your Mac than the native Safari application. It's generally okay to use as long as you don't have tons of tabs open. So if you're one of those people that have 20 tabs open simultaneously, bring that down to just a few and it's really going to make a difference. Now, the next small tip is to keep your desktop clean. I have some folders here that I commonly access that store a lot of this data and information. But if your desktop is cluttered with all these different applications or files, your computer is going to be rendering that every time you're looking at your desktop. So I'd recommend just going through and cleaning that up, and it'll help your Mac run a little bit smoother. And now we're going to talk about storage. So if I go to the Apple logo in the corner, and we're going to go to About This Mac, and we're going to go to Storage. Now, you never want this to be full or almost full, and if it is, you can select Manage right here. And this is a quick and easy way to see where everything is and what's taking up space. So for example, if I select Documents, you'll see large files, or you can go to your file browser. And this is going to show you where all of those large files are hiding. So just take some time to go through this and remove anything that you don't need. And for me personally, I like to use an external hard drive. It's a 4 terabyte drive, and I run my video editor off of that. So if you have large files constantly going on your computer, consider running that to an external drive. Also, one more tip for the storage: when you install applications or you download large files that are in zip, rar, .dmg, any of those formats, you don't need to keep those after you've downloaded it and installed it. So just delete the .dmg, zip, or rar files from your computer. And the final tip for today is don't shut down your Mac when you're not using it. If you're on a MacBook like this, you simply just close the lid and it's going to go to sleep. It's going to perform those background tasks while it's asleep, and so it doesn't have to do that while you're using your computer. And if you have an iMac or a desktop Mac, when you hit the power button, just press sleep, and this is going to help optimize your Mac while you're actually using it. All right, so we hope today's video was helpful. Subscribe for more, and please drop a like down below if you found this helpful. Also, if you're looking to pick up Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software, links in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.